Hello, good morning, class.
Morning.
Yes, today is a very beautiful Friday. We want to look at our microbiology. We want to continue from where we left. So maybe for a start, we can just look at the register. Now, is everybody in? Cecilia Isoe, Kiprono Chona, Linet Nyongeza.
Present.
Yes, good. Now we can continue. Now, I would wish that you allow me to share my screen. Yes, are you seeing my screen? Is my screen visible?
No one, yes.
Is it visible to everybody? Now, so we want just to begin from definition and then we look at the branches of microbiology at a glance. Now, microbiology, this means the study of small living organisms that cannot be seen with our naked eyes. So we can study microbiology by use of a microscope. That is what will assist us to look at these microorganisms. Then we also have some subgroups of microbiology. We have medical microbiology, industrial microbiology, food microbiology, agriculture and soil microbiology, and also veterinary microbiology. All these will be looked at in detail in the next chapter. Now let us look at the branches of medical microbiology. We have some few branches of medical microbiology as follows. One, we have what we call parasitology. Parasitology, this is the study of parasites causing disease in human beings. We also have mycology. Mycology is the study of fungi that causes disease in human beings and even in animals. We also have immunology. Immunology is the study of mechanisms involved in the development of body resistance to infections. We also have bacteriology. Bacteriology, this is the study of bacteria causing disease in human beings. We also have genetics. Genetics, this is the study of heredity and variation of genes. Then finally, we also have virology. Virology is the study of viruses causing infections in human beings. Now, in this in microbiology also we can classify microorganisms into two. Microorganisms are classified into one, we have what we call eukaryotic cell groups and we have prokaryotic cell groups. For some purposes of clarification, we have such organisms like bacteria, fungi, algae, mycoplasma, viruses, protozoa, rickettsia, and chlamydia. Now, let's look at briefly the differences between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, we always have nucleus that is enclosed in a circular chromosome, while in eukaryotic cells, it has got a nucleus that is multiple and linear. In prokaryotic cells also, the nucleus membrane is absent, while in eukaryotic cells, the nucleus membrane is present. So maybe for clarification, you can write the two differences as we explain so that you will be able to read on your own. So kindly note down as I explain the 2 points. Also, in prokaryotic cells, cytoplasm is absent, while in eukaryotic, cytoplasm is present. And then in prokaryotic cells, mitochondria is absent, while eukaryotes has got mitochondria. Lysosomes are also absent in prokaryotic cells, while eukaryotic cells have got their lysosomes present in the cell. Now, Lynette Nyongesa. Hello, Lynette? Lynette?
Yes, I can.
Yes,
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
So maybe you can read for us the remaining two, those differences of prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. From number 8.
Okay. From number 8.
Yes.
Endoplasmic reticulum is absent in prokaryotic cells. Then, in eukaryotic cells, endoplasmic reticulum is present. Number 9, chemical sterol is absent in prokaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, chemical sterol is present. Then in prokaryotic cell, number 10, chemical muramic acid is present. Then in eukaryotic cell, chemical muramic acid is absent. Then in prokaryotic cell, mitotic division is absent. Eukaryotic cell, mitotic division is present. Lastly, examples of prokaryotic cells, we have bacteria, viruses, chlamydia. Then in eukaryotic cells, examples, we have fungi, protozoa, animals, plants, etc.
Thank you, Lynette, for your contribution. That is the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Now, can we now look at the bacterial cell anatomy? Bacterial cell anatomy means this is the structure, the physiology of that bacterial cell. We'll only look at the functions and the parts of that bacterial cell. In a bacterial cell, we will still find the cell wall. We'll still find the cell wall, that is the outer membrane or outer layer of the bacterial cell, and it is composed of a mucopeptide polymer, which is called the peptidoglycan. The function of this cell wall is only to provide the bacterial cell with rigidity. Then the rest, they are the common ones. We have the cytoplasm, we have the capsule, we have the nucleus, we have the genome, the plastids, and the ribosomes. All those are parts of the bacterial cell. We also have what we call the flagella that assist the bacteria in motility. We even have the mesosomes, and all those have got their functions as I have indicated in that slide. So hope my slides are clear and you can see the functions of each part of the bacterial cell physiology. Class, any question up to that far? Any question, Lynette?
I don't have any question.
Now,
Sure.
there have been no other question. I want to leave an assignment with you, which we will maybe check on the next class when we meet next week. Kindly look at the types of flagella which are found in a bacterial cell. Look at the types of flagella which are found in a bacterial cell. We have different types of flagella in a bacterial cell. So maybe kindly go and research on it, and then you can draw even those positions, the position of the flagella in each bacteria. That is where we will continue next week in our next class. So members, thank you for your attendance. Thank you for your time. We meet in the next class next week, same time. Thank you. Have a good day.